Our planet Earth has a long and fascinating history. It has witnessed the birth and death of countless life forms. This incredible journey of life spans billions of years. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the complex diversity we see today, life has constantly adapted and evolved. We're going to travel through time to understand this remarkable story. Our journey begins billions of years ago. Imagine a young Earth still forming, volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases. The atmosphere was hot and toxic. This was a hostile environment, seemingly unfit for life. Yet, in this chaotic cauldron, the miracle of life emerged. We will trace the evolution of life from these earliest beginnings. We will see how single cells gave rise to complex creatures. From the depths of the oceans to the open skies, life's tenacity and adaptability will unfold before us. Prepare yourself for a journey of epic proportions. The early Earth was a harsh and unforgiving place. The air was thick with noxious gases, and the surface was bombarded by intense radiation from the sun. Volcanoes erupted frequently, spewing molten rock and ash into the atmosphere. Oceans were still forming, their waters hot and acidic, yet within this seemingly inhospitable environment, life found a way to emerge. Around 4 billion years ago, the first signs of life appeared. Prokaryotic cells. These single-celled organisms were incredibly simple. They lacked a nucleus and other complex structures found in later cells. However, they possessed the remarkable ability to replicate themselves. This marked the beginning of life's long journey. These early prokaryotes were extremophiles, thriving in environments that would be deadly to most life today. Some lived in hot springs, feeding on chemicals spewing from volcanic vents. Others resided in shallow, sunlit waters, developing early forms of photosynthesis. Over millions of years, these simple cells spread and diversified, slowly transforming the planet. For billions of years, prokaryotic cells were the only life forms on Earth. However, around 2.5 billion years ago, a pivotal event occurred, the emergence of eukaryotic cells. Unlike their prokaryotic counterparts, eukaryotes possessed a nucleus, which housed their genetic material. This innovation had profound implications for the future of life. Eukaryotic cells were larger and more complex than prokaryotes. They developed specialized structures called organelles, which perform specific functions within the cell. This increased complexity allowed eukaryotes to utilize energy more efficiently and perform more specialized tasks. It also paved the way for the evolution of multicellular organisms. The first multicellular organisms were simple collections of cells. Over time, however, these cells began to specialize and cooperate. Some cells became responsible for gathering nutrients, while others formed protective barriers. This division of labor led to the development of tissues, organs, and eventually, complex organisms with specialized functions. Around 540 million years ago, life on Earth underwent a dramatic transformation, known as the Cambrian Explosion. Over a relatively short period, a stunning diversity of new life forms emerged. These creatures evolved hard shells, skeletons, and sophisticated sensory organs. The Cambrian Explosion marked the beginning of the Paleozoic era, the age of ancient life. The reasons for the Cambrian Explosion are still debated, but several factors likely played a role. Changes in ocean chemistry, increased oxygen levels, and the evolution of predation may have all contributed to this burst of evolution. During this time, the ancestors of many modern animal groups appeared, including arthropods, mollusks, and vertebrates. The Cambrian Explosion was a pivotal event in the history of life. It marked the emergence of complex body plans and set the stage for the evolution of countless species over millions of years. The diversity of life we see today is a testament to the evolutionary innovations that occurred during this remarkable period. Section 5. Conquering the land. For billions of years, life had flourished in the oceans. However, around 500 million years ago, a new frontier beckoned land. The colonization of land by plants and animals was a monumental event, requiring significant adaptations to overcome the challenges of a terrestrial environment. Plants were among the first pioneers to colonize land. They evolved structures like roots to anchor themselves in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. They also developed vascular systems to transport water and sugars throughout their bodies. The arrival of plants transformed the barren landscape, creating habitats for animals to follow. Arthropods, with their exoskeletons and jointed legs, were among the first animals to venture onto land. They were followed by amphibians, who evolved from lobe-finned fish. Amphibians could breathe air and move on land, but they still relied on water for reproduction. The colonization of land by plants and animals marked a turning point in the history of life, opening up new ecological niches and driving further diversification. Section 6. The Reign of Reptiles. The Mesozoic era, spanning from 252 to 66 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Reptiles. During this time, dinosaurs, a diverse group of reptiles, rose to dominance and ruled the Earth for over 180 million years. Dinosaurs evolved a wide range of adaptations, allowing them to thrive in various ecosystems. Some dinosaurs were herbivores, like the massive, long-necked sauropods that grazed on towering trees. Others were fearsome predators, like the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex, with its powerful jaws and teeth. Dinosaurs occupied every major habitat, from lush forests to arid deserts. They ranged in size from the chicken-sized Compsognathus to the colossal Argentinosaurus, one of the largest animals ever to walk the earth. The reign of the dinosaurs was a testament to their evolutionary success. They developed advanced respiratory systems, efficient metabolisms, and diverse reproductive strategies. Their fossils provide us with a glimpse into a lost world and continue to captivate our imaginations today. Section 7. A Mass Extinction. Around 66 million years ago, a cataclysmic event brought the reign of the dinosaurs to an abrupt end. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico. The impact unleashed catastrophic consequences, triggering widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The immediate impact was devastating, but the long-term effects were even more profound. Dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere blocked out the sun, causing a global cooling effect. Photosynthesis ground to a halt, leading to the collapse of food chains. The dinosaurs, along with countless other species, perished in the ensuing mass extinction event. The extinction of the dinosaurs marked the end of the Mesozoic era and ushered in the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. While the asteroid impact had catastrophic consequences, it also created opportunities for new forms of life to evolve and diversify. Section 8. The Rise of Mammals. In the shadow of the dinosaurs, a group of small, furry creatures called mammals had been quietly evolving. Mammals possessed several key traits that allowed them to survive the extinction event and thrive in the post-apocalyptic world. They were warm-blooded, enabling them to maintain a stable body temperature in fluctuating environments. They also had relatively large brains, providing them with an advantage in a rapidly changing world. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals seized the opportunity to diversify and fill the vacant ecological niches. They evolved a wide range of adaptations, from the wings of bats to the fins of whales. Mammals spread across the globe, occupying habitats ranging from Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests. The rise of mammals was a remarkable chapter in the story of life. Their adaptability, intelligence, and resilience allowed them to inherit the Earth and become one of the most successful groups of animals ever to evolve. Section 9. A Legacy of Evolution. The journey of life on Earth has been an epic tale of survival, adaptation, and diversification. From the first single-celled organisms to the rise of mammals, life has constantly evolved to overcome challenges and exploit new opportunities. The story of our own species, Homo sapiens, is but one chapter in this grand narrative. As we have seen, extinction events, while devastating, can also be catalysts for evolutionary change. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, ultimately leading to our own existence. Today we stand as custodians of this incredible legacy, tasked with understanding and protecting the diversity of life that surrounds us. The journey of life on Earth is far from over. Evolution is an ongoing process, and new chapters are being written every day. By studying the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and interconnectedness of life. We also gain insights into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as we continue to evolve alongside the countless other species that call this planet home. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the fascinating evolution of humans, how they emerged, adapted, and evolved into the species that dominate the planet today. Like the video if you found this journey through Earth's history interesting. Till then, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for such insightful content on how life evolved and shaped our world. See you in the next one.